Greetings everyone. You should now be moving into the last unit of Greenhouse Management Online that you're actually responsible for, and that is the Atmospheres Learning Unit. That unit is going to take into account a number of atmospheric kind of subjects that we want to deal with that I want you to learn a little bit about. Things like carbon dioxide, which plants use in photosynthesis. Things like humidity, which become important for two reasons. One, under propagation conditions, seed germination conditions, we're often elevating humidity for those purposes. In some other scenarios, we may be worried about having humidity that is actually too high and actually promoting disease development. So humidity is an issue. Then there's also what I just refer to as air pollutants, various types of things that we might not want in our atmosphere, such as various types of hydrocarbons that can cause problems. Carbon monoxide, which can be particularly problematic for people. And probably the big one in that category that we always think about with plants, that being ethylene. So work your way through this unit. It's a much smaller, easier unit. It's kind of a nice time because you've been through some really tough learning units where there was a lot to learn. So this is a little bit of a lighter finish here. Not that that information is not very important. So work your way through this as usual. I've sent out information on the final exams to everyone. And I can't tell you in the video a lot on that because different locations, because of your different exam schedules, you're all on slightly different exam schedules. So make sure you read the actual email that I sent out on scheduling your exams on your date and your time and your proctor. Also, I noted that it is not a comprehensive exam. It's only covering the materials since your last exam. So what is that? These last three learning units, I guess irrigation systems, water quality, plant growth regulators, and atmospheres. So even though we call it a final, it's essentially just an exam number 3. It has been really wonderful having you all in class. I've gotten to know many of you through email, and some of you we've even gotten to Skype and FaceTime quite a few times, and it's been nice getting to know you. What we'll do is finish up this last unit, do the final exam. Within a few days of that, you'll see your final percentage and your final grade post into Blackboard. That will then be transferred to your home institution, and the local proctors there will transfer that into your own local system. For those of you industry professionals, you'll see your grade, which is just whether you've passed or not, but what grade you actually had earned. And then probably it's after the holidays with how everything gets on holidays, but you'll be receiving both a letter and a certificate of successful completion of the course. If for some reason you don't receive those promptly, just let me know, drop me an email. So I wish you all the best here at the end of the semester. It's been a pleasure. Let me know if you have questions, and good luck on the final exam.